that's how you store and gather clamps for your projects, there's a better way. Welcome to today's Rockler demo. We're going to talk about clamp storage. Rockler wall-mounted clamp racks work really well. We offer several different models, including racks for quick release bar clamps, F-style clamps, parallel jaw clamps, and pipe clamps. Wall-mounted racks like those are probably the most common solution for most workshops, but today we're going to talk about another really versatile option. It's our newly updated pack rack clamp cart system. It starts with this base rack that has a footprint that's roughly 24 inches by 31 inches by about 5 feet tall and rolls on 4-inch casters. It also comes with these crossbars that can be positioned at various heights on the cart to hold different types of clamps. And as you can see, it can hold a lot of clamps. In this case, we've loaded it up with 50 clamps, and there's still a little bit of room to spare. But the base cart is just the beginning. We also offer a variety of accessories that increase the cart's versatility. There are a couple different shelves and trays that mount to the sides, top, or bottom. One is specifically designed with slots and holes to hold tools and bits. Our router bit inserts fit the holes perfectly, and I really like the idea of storing a small shop vacuum or compressor on the large bottom shelf. There's also a set of 3 pegboard side panels that can be used together to cover a full side or installed separately on both sides, whatever best suits your storage and use needs. Finally, there's a wall mount dust collector mounting bracket that's designed to hold Rockler's 650 wall mount dust collector. The rack includes a couple hooks and a handy shelf on the back side to hold your dust collector accessories, making the rack a mobile dust collector station. So as you can see, it's a really versatile system, it's easy to customize, and I love that I can roll it around the shop. So if you're looking for a new way to store your clamps or other tools in your shop, take a look at the pack rack system. I hope this demo gave you some useful ideas that you can apply in your shop. I'm Dan Carey with Rockler and Woodworker's Journal. Thanks for watching.